Hello students, today's video lecture is based on class 10 mathematics chapter number 9 and lecture number 3. Okay, in previous video lecture till the question 6 we have solved, but today we will start with question number 7 of exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. In question number 7, there is given from a point on the ground. First, indicate a point P. Suppose that there is a ground, and on the ground, anywhere a point is P. The angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. So, suppose that this is the power transmission tower, that is A. Angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building, and this transmission tower is at a 20-meter high building. There is a 20-meter high building and AB is the transmission tower. So suppose AB is the transmission tower and BC is the building at which this tower is located, and from this point angle of elevation of the top of this tower and the angle of elevation of the bottom of this tower is respectively 45 degree and 60 degree. So you can say there will be angle of elevation, that is 45, and next will be 60 degree. So you can say here is the 45 degree and next will be 60 degree. Okay. Now find the height of the tower. Suppose that height of the tower is h. Clear? There is triangle ACP, that is right angle, and also BCP is another triangle. So let the height of tower equals to AB, that is equal to h. Okay, we don't know the value of base, that is CP, that is the distance between bottom of the building and the point, but we know that the height of the building BC is 20 meters. The height of building equals to, that is BC, right here BC, that is equal to, given is 20 meter, so write 20 meters. To find the value of base, that is the distance between building and the point, we can take this triangle BCP. In triangle BCP, and here is the perpendicular and base, which trigonometric function is represent the ratio of base and perpendicular. So we can say for the ratio of tan theta, that is perpendicular upon base. So in this triangle we can take tan, here is the angle 45, so write 45 that is equal to perpendicular upon base. The value of perpendicular is BC. So write BC upon what is the base? CP. So write CP equals to perpendicular is 20 and the base suppose that CP. Tan 45 equals to 1 equals to 20 upon CP. So we can say the value of CP equals to 20 meter. So the distance between point and the bottom of the building is 20 meter. Now in triangle ACP, why we are taking this triangle? Because if we want to calculate the height of the tower, that is AB, then we have to calculate also the total height of from point C to A. So we are taking triangle ACP. A is here, CP. Tan there is 60 degree, so write 60 equals to what is the perpendicular? 20 plus h. So write here 20 plus h. Divide by what is the value of base? That is 20. So the value of tan 60, that is root 3, that's equal to 20 plus h divided by 20. So from here we can take this side. There will be 20 into root 3, 20 into root 3, that is equal to 20 plus h, 20 plus h. So we can say the value of h equals to 20 root 3 minus 20. If we are taking common as 20, so this will be 20 in bracket root 3 minus 1 meter. That is the answer. But you can write this answer into the form of point. So h equals to 20. In place of root 3 we can write 1.732 minus 1. That will be 20 into 0.732. Now multiply this. That will be 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6 and 2 7 the 14. Okay. So here will be 2 points after. So write here point, that is meter. So the height of the tower is 14.64 meter. And now we are going to solve the question number 8. Question number 8 is a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. That means here is the pedestal, suppose that, and the statue is located at the top of the pedestal. So suppose that AB is the pedestal and statue is here. AC is the statue and the height of the statue is given, that is 1.6 meter. Okay, and from a point on the ground the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. Suppose that this is the ground and on the ground there is a point P, and the question is telling us from a point on the ground the angle of elevation of the top of the statue, and top of the statue here the angle of elevation, that is 60 degree. Now and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree, and from this point the angle of elevation of the pedestal, that is 45. So find the height of the pedestal. we have to calculate the height of the pedestal. Suppose that the height of the pedestal is h. Okay, this. So in triangle this, okay, ABP, in triangle ABP, tan 45 equals to perpendicular upon this, and perpendicular is h. So write here h upon what is the value of base? BP, which we don't know. So write here BP. Here is the B and P. So the value of tan 45 is 1. So equals to h upon BP, and the value of BP equals to BP equals to h. Okay. So it is also h. Now in triangle CBP, we can take tan 60 degree, that is equal to height of the statue and plus height of the pedestal. So we can write here AC plus AB. So write here CA plus AB and divide by BP, that is base. Okay, tan 60 degree equals to root 3, that is equal to what is the value of CA, that is 1.6. So write here 1.6 plus what is the value of AB, that is h, divide by what is the value of BP, that is also h. So write here h. Now h root 3, that is equal to 1.6 plus h. So write here plus h. Now we can write it as h root 3 minus h, that is equal to 1.6, and if we are taking common as h, then this will be root 3 minus 1 equals to 1.6. Now h equals to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1, and this will be h equals to 1.6 divided by 1.732 minus 1, that is equal to 1.6 divided by 0.732. Now h equals to, we can divide it and that will be the answer. So 1600, because we multiplied 1000 in numerator and also denominator, divided by 732. So divide it and find the answer. That will be answer. We can also divide it like 1600 divided by 732. So how many times we can go? 2 times. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14. So right here there will be 10 and 6, there will be 3 and 1. Okay, and this cancel. Now take a point. You can take point this and take a 0. Also there is, we cannot go, or we can, if we are going, then we can 1 times 732. Okay, then we can write here approx the value 2.1 meter. Okay, that is the answer. So next question, that is question number 9, will be discussed in next video. Thank you.